Hi everybody, it's Debbie and Patti, Print and Pixel Studio, and we have some really exciting news to share today. We have 1,010 subscribers, and I know, and it's all thank you to all of you guys. I mean, we cannot believe it. It's just so amazing, and we're so excited, and we're so thankful. I'm starting to tear up. This is goofy, but everybody has been so darn nice and with such nice comments and friendliness that it just makes us feel really, really good. So anyway, when I was getting this stuff ready to shoot, Debbie wasn't here, and I found myself tearing up, and I thought, good grief. you know, Imagine what'll happen when we get to 2,000. But anyway, we're just so thankful and so grateful for all of your help in getting us to this point. So now the big challenge is we have to start learning how to do the live stream, because that's kind of the goal we had to get to 1,000 so that we could do live streaming. So like I said before, so you guys don't have to yell into the computer or the TV and telling me how to fix my problem. You can tell me in real time. But anyway, so as a thank you for that, we are going to list another freebie on Ko-fi, and there'll be a link in the description below telling you exactly where to go and how to get this. Now, this is a sample I made. What you're actually going to get, I guess I should show that first, are these pages. This is a real cute, it's a double page so you could fold it. And then there's a little floral print and the stripe. And then you get a tag and a little card with a little poem about flowers on it in 3 different sizes. So anyway, I used it this morning to put this little folio together. And let me unwrap it here. And I took the double page and made it as the outside cover. But you could have it also, you could fold it and use it inside as a page in your journal, which would be cute too. We had thought about doing that in one of our journals. But anyway, for today, I copied it out on cardstock and then turned it into a little folio, and you could see the front and back. And it's really cute. I didn't really feel like it needed any other decoration on it, so I left it plain. But this would be cute just to tuck in to your journal or put in a pocket in your journal. Be cute. And then on the inside, I took the patterned paper that comes with the kit and made pockets. And I made 2, as you can see here, on the bottom and 1 on the top. But you could do anything you want. You could do side pockets if you want. But it's such a simple little kit that, you know, everything is pretty much easy to cut freehand. And you'll probably notice on mine that some of the edges aren't as rounded as, you know, it's imperfect. And the reason it is I found this piece, this little booklet, in a thrift shop, and I scanned it exactly as it was. So none of the edges are perfect, and I left them that way because I think it added to the charm of the piece. But you could round them off with your clipper or however you wanted to do it. And then these are the tags that come with it. And on this one, I just glued a contrasting paper on it. And on the cover here, I just ran it through twice, did the front cover, and then printed out the stripe on the back, and it came out perfect. And I was thinking you could even stitch around it if you wanted to, it'd be cute. But the little pockets and everything, simple to do, you know, just measure your space and cut them out however you like them. So, but it makes a really cute piece, and it makes something real simple and very quick. So that's another good thing about it. But I love the, come on buddy, get in there. I love the patterns and the striping all together, and I think it makes a real cute little group. And you could put any tags in here. It doesn't have to be these. But it's really cute. And so it's our gift to you as a thank you. Like I say, you won't be getting anything in the mail or anything. It's all in digital form. Oh, also, when I was putting it together, I tried a couple different trims on the bottoms of the pockets, and I liked them. But as it turned out, I felt after I put the third pocket in, I didn't really need anything else on it, but you certainly could put, you know, any kind of trim on there. And then this same little kit, this is not part of the kit, this little pattern paper in the back, but these little pieces are, and it made a cute little hidden paper clip. So you could do a lot with it. You could cut the little pieces out and make clusters or whatever you want. But anyway, that's it. And like I say, we're going to have a link down below on where you can download it. And we hope you enjoy it. And we sure do thank you for all of your wonderful support. I mean, we just can't believe it. We're just thrilled. So thanks again.